Welcome to this video. Today we're diving into a common problem that bot developers face when structuring their Discord bots. The problem at hand involves the challenge of accessing class properties and methods within a bot command defined using the commands.Command decorator. This limitation can hinder the bot's functionality and accessibility to internal state, creating a roadblock for developers seeking a solution. Now, let's talk about the solution to this issue. The key lies in leveraging the context object in Discord, which inherently carries an instance of your bot. By restructuring your bot class and separating command definitions into extensions or cogs, you can easily access class properties and methods within the command functions. The provided code snippet showcases how you can access an _instance _property and call a _class _method from within a command function using the ctx.bot attribute. This approach ensures seamless interaction with the bot's internal state without compromising flexibility or functionality. In summary, by adopting a modular approach and utilizing the context object effectively, you can enhance the functionality and accessibility of your Discord bot. This solution empowers you to access class properties and methods within command functions, streamlining your development process and improving overall bot performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. And as always, happy coding!